Good morning, all of you. So, in today's class, we will finish this complete ray optics, right? So, next part is Galilean telescope. This is also refracting telescope, and you can see it consists of one convex lens and one concave lens. You see here, this is a convex lens, this is concave lens, and this is your eyepiece. Means from here you are watching, and this is objective lens, which is near to the object. Object is at infinity, hai na? Whatever you want to see. So see here, this angle is alpha, this angle is beta, and this is image formed. And after this, you will get somewhere here image. The distance between this lens optical center to the image formed is focal length of objective lens, we can say. And the distance from this to this is Fe, that is focal length of this eyepiece, we can say. If you want to calculate length of tube is equal to how much? F naught minus Fe. Just F naught minus Fe you do, you will get the distance between the two optical centers of the lenses. Now, can you make this at home? Yes, you can make this at home also. So what you have to do, this purchase one convex lens of diameter 3.8 centimeter. This is diameter, okay, and focal length 50 centimeter, right? So the distance according to that you can adjust in the tube. So concave lens you have to purchase, that is diameter of 2.5 centimeter and focal length of 5 centimeter. Now what you do, you purchase this and fixed in a tube. Okay. And if you will watch from this side, you can see easily whatever you want. You try this at home. Okay. What you have to do, purchase convex lens and concave lens of this diameter and focal length. Fix it at these distances, whatever I have given you. Okay. So this Fe is 5 centimeter, hai na? Means this is 5 centimeter should be, then this complete distance should be 50 centimeters. So one tube of 50 centimeter is enough. Yes, more than 50 centimeter you have to take. So definitely you will able to make this at home. Try it. Okay. So note down and draw the diagram. Okay. So this is what reflecting telescopes. Till this moment of time, we have learned all refracting telescope, astronomical, terrestrial. Yes, all these was refracting telescopes. Now this is reflecting telescopes. Two telescopes are there, that is Cassegrain and Newtonian. And keep it in mind, one more thing I want to remind you, that the image formed due to reflecting telescope is clear than refracting telescope. Okay, because you see we are watching every day in plane mirror now, so we are getting very nice image, right? Okay, so see here in Cassegrain telescope, what he did, so he has used one concave mirror here, this is eyepiece, and here it is a convex mirror. So the rays are coming from infinity, and after reflection they are meeting here. Again reflection takes place and image will get from here, and you are watching from this eyepiece. Okay. Similarly, you see here in Newtonian telescope, again this telescope tube, this is primary mirror, concave mirror only, and here he has used plane mirror now. So these rays are coming from infinity objects, yes, and they are intersecting here, which you are watching from eyepiece. That is what your image is getting formed. And image at LDDB means least distance of distinct vision. Same formula, whatever you have used for astronomical telescope, same only. Just I have taken Fe out, nothing else. If you want to take Fe inside, just F naught by F naught into 1 by Fe plus 1 by D. Same formula you use, not at all issue. And when image is at infinity, magnifying power is equal to F naught by Fe. And here F naught is equal to what? This primary mirror is there now, its focal length. So this mirror is having some radius of curvature. So that radius of curvature divided by 2, if you will do, you will get that F naught. So pause the video and draw this diagram neatly, okay, and try to understand. Okay. Okay. So see the next topic, that is optical fiber. We have learned critical angle and total internal reflection. So this optical fiber data transmission is working on that principle only. That is when the signal, that is, we can say optical signal, when it is incident at angle greater than critical angle, it will reflect into the same medium and it will transmit faster. So how they have created this, we can say, or what is the structure, internal structure of that optical fiber? See here, it is having one inside core and outside cladding. Cladding is nothing but rarer medium, inside is denser medium. When light ray is passing from denser medium to rarer medium, already we have seen at particular angle it reflects back. So you can see here, this is I have drawn normal also. So the ray will go like this after internally reflection. That is what the optical signal, and it will transmit faster. Okay. So the tube has diameter around 10 power minus per centimeter. And what are the applications of this optical fiber, or where we are using this? Endoscopy, then transmission of electrical signals, then telephone and other transmitting cables, you know, internet and all, right? So this is what your optical fiber, and it is totally working on total internal reflection. Okay, pause the video, note down the notes. So see the next topic, that is mirage. So this mirage is nothing but optical illusion. Okay, what is this? Optical illusion. They may ask you question for 4 marks also. So see what happens when you are walking in a hot summer days in desert or on road also, you will feel that there is some water ahead of you. Yes or no? So particularly, so many animals will feel this optical illusion. We can say they will feel that water is there, but water is not there. Understand? As they will run and they will reach near that to that, there is no water. Okay. So why it is and what is this phenomena? That is nothing but this mirage. And it is optical illusion of eye observed in hot summer days. Person sees pond of water some distance ahead of him, in which surrounding object appears inverted. And this phenomena is because of total internal reflection. See here, I have drawn the diagram. Here is tree and this is a person. Now this layer till here, okay, I have not drawn till here, but this complete layer is of denser, rarer medium or denser medium, because the air which is near to the earth surface, due to what you can say heat, this is the hot air, and that's why it will behave as a rarer medium. This one is cool air as compared with this, that's why it will behave as a denser medium. So whatever the sunlight or light rays are coming here from denser to rarer interface, at particular angle they will reflect back. You know what is the condition? When angle of incidence is greater than critical angle, then this rays will enter into the eye. So what this person will feel? The person will feel that these rays are coming here, and that's what the image is getting formed of this object here. Understand? That's what the surrounding object appears inverted, and that's why this person will feel that the rays are not coming from this point, but they are coming from P dash. Okay, so very important. So notes also I have given, you can just write down, pause the video, draw the good diagrams. Okay, right. So let's stop here for today. Bye.